Yeah, where Senator Tim Kaine is hosting a health care roundtable right now. And I got to tell you, I've talked to a lot of Republican and Democratic senators. They all agree that at these meetings, health care is dominant. Now, this was intended to be about health care. What are you hearing from people, though?
Yeah, Chris, the entire focus of this meeting here was health care. And what we're hearing is why Tim Kaine could never in a million years vote for this bill. He's coming out here and talking to some moms mostly and their children who have just heartbreaking stories about their experience on Medicaid or taking advantage of some of the provisions in the Affordable Care Act and why it has been so important to them and their families. Some of these moms are crying. Senator Kaine was tearing up just hearing about this. I spoke to one of the moms before this event started about her experience with her son, who benefited greatly from provisions in the Affordable Care Act capping coverage for how long you can be on care, and also the importance of Medicaid in essentially saving her son's life. Take a listen.
When he was 15 months old, he hit his lifetime maximum for his insurance policy, and that was $2 million, and he lost his insurance overnight.
At 15 months old? At
15 months old. And Medicaid picked up the difference for us until I got him back in my insurance at work. But they pay for the things the insurance doesn't pay for.
And Chris, I think it's easy to be cynical about events like these, but for the argument that these families are making and that Senator Kaine is making, that for anyone who wants to say, oh, this is an X's and O's, this is a numbers argument, particularly about the caps in spending for Medicaid, those people should have to come meet and talk to these families before they go out and say that there won't be cuts, that there won't be reductions. Because frankly, Chris, a lot of these moms are terrified about what might be coming down the pipe for them.
Yeah, I've talked to a lot of people in the same boat. Garrett Hake, thank you for that.